Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy TVK Studio. TVK the GOAT, and today I'm gonna teach you guys how to get the Monkey app on any device, Android phone. So the Monkey app has been deleted, and I just woke up, so I'm back. Alright, so as you guys can see, there's actually no Monkey app. Look, there's no Monkey app. And you don't gotta go to that tutu thingy, tutu.com, tutu.org, whatever you call it. You can just go right here, like for real, right there. Go to today, click this thingy. Oh, there you go. And after that, just go right here and look. Oh, what the heck?
Stupid!
Just around here or here. I would say all. If you ever had the Monkey app, just go to here and put monkey, and there you have it, bro. Easy. Alright guys, subscribe, get a like, and not forget to stay virtual, and also subscribe for more, bro. Road to literally 500 subscribers, road to 5,000 subscribers. It's gonna be lit. Subscribe, get a like, and not forget to stay virtual.